Here we go, everyone. This is our last equation topic. And you can see by the title it says one, none, and infinite solution. So we'll start with what you already know, solving equations with one solution. That's the type we've been working on. You get an answer, x equals whatever. So you can see I have an equation there, x on both sides. That was our last equation assignment. Subtract 2x on both sides. See, already done for you. And it looks like that. Now you're hopefully thinking, add 1 to both sides. You have this, and divide. X is 5. See? One solution, 5. If you put 5 in here for x, 7 times 5 is 35 minus 1, 34. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 24 is also 34. See how 5 makes that balance? That's why it's the solution. So, bottom line, if you have different coefficients on each side of the equal sign, see, 7 and 2, you have one solution. Okay, enough about that, because we've done that. There are equations out there that have no solution. For example, this one, x on both sides, right? Well, cancel one of them. Well, if they're the same, they're both going to cancel. They're gone. There's no x here anymore. It's actually 0. I'm not going to write a 0. So if you bring down 3, bring down 7, you have this. 3 equals 7. 3 does not equal 7. Not equal to it. This is no solution. There is no number that can make this balance like this one. Remember, 5 gave us the same number on both sides. No number can ever give us the same value on each side. So that's my answer. No solution. So for no solution, you will have the same coefficients. See? 2 and 2. But different numbers. 3 and 7. So that's the basics of no solution. Now sometimes they might look like this. In fact, on the assignment they will. You're going to have to maybe distribute first. 3 times x, 3 times 4. And you come over here and you can see same coefficient, different numbers. This has no solution. That's the answer. And people abbreviate it like that mostly. If you want to subtract the 3x from both sides, go ahead, and you will see it says 12 equals 11, which is not true. So that's the no solution equations. And then finally, we have equations where it has an infinite number of solutions. All numbers make it balance. So, same thing, x on both sides. When you cancel one, again, they both cancel. But this time, look what it says. 3 equals 3. Well, that's true. So most people abbreviate it like this. Infinite solutions. Every number makes this balance. Pick any number you want. There, we'll pick 4. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 3 is 11. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 3 is 11. Every number will make it balance. You won't get 11, but you'll get other numbers that are the same on both sides. But over here, if the equation has the same coefficients, 2 and 2, and the same numbers, 3 and 3. See, it looks the same on both sides, right? That's infinite solutions. So again, you might have to distribute. Negative times positive, they're both negative. Both of these, that is. And you can see it, oh, I meant to make a 6. I was talking and writing at the same time. That's a 6, it's messy. But they're the same on both sides. This also is infinite solutions, okay? So, that's what I had to show you. It's new to most of you, I would think. I'm just showing you that it'll work out the same. This is covered on the PSSA and the Keystone exam. So this is what the assignment looks like. There are 12 of them. They don't take very long. You will distribute. You might have to combine like terms. Again, I know this is blurry. It's hard for me to get that to focus no matter what I do. But notice this. You must show work to get credit. If you just write no solution, infinite solution, one solution, you will receive a 0 on this assignment. you must show that you simplified on whatever side you have to simplify on. Okay, so they're all really just one step or so, and you're going to write one solution, no solution, or infinite solution. And as always, if you have questions, contact me. All right then, good luck. Until next time.